Bash again says, educated people, educated at home and in schools, are the ones running the government. Is government working?
Okay, now that's a very
They
sensitive
didn't grow up in a
sport.
generation, so they were well trained. Well trained.
Talking about values.
Values, yeah. Very
That's
well
a-
trained. That generation, where they would ask you where'd you get the money for the car from. They grew up in that generation. So I want answers now.
Honestly, I believe that if someone was properly thought, honestly, yes,
So
there's
you
a
think that
there's
the
a
total whole sum of the
don't-
guys in
no, don't
public
mis-
offices
don't-
that are
don't
stealing money and not properly
misunderstand
taught?
me, Don't misunderstand me. People
Okay.
make choices. I make
Are
choices.
they a product of their
Hold
choices?
on.
Are they a product of their choices?
We are
Are they
product of
our choices?
We are product of our choices.
Okay,
Yeah, I
good.
agree with you.
All right.
But I'm saying that if at home, my mama taught me the value of hard work. She intentionally taught me
You
the
work
value.
hard.
Hold on, she taught
Sitting
me.
for meetings
she
in Abuja is a
intention-
lot of work.
That's not working. That's not working. That's
It's a
not
lot of work.
Sitting
You got to
down
go to
is
some
not
local
working.
government and then go. It's work.
Sitting
so
down
they
is
sit
not
there. Okay, I have a
working.
right to this thing. I'm working.
Security guards sit down, so that's not work.
Well, it chose to be.
No, what I'm saying is government is not working because the individuals, it's the, hold on, the individuals
The
who
individuals-
make, no, the individuals who, no, that's really very funny because
The individuals
You're
who
actually
make up the society, who make up
the
government,
individuals,
who make up
I want to
government.
question, okay, let me,
No, you finish that
No,
statement.
I want you to finish that. I want you to go on with that till I
government
finish
is not
it.
working
Because the individuals
because the individuals who are in the
power
position
have made
or
choices.
have made choices,
Okay.
have made
Choices.
based on the things that they hold dear to be true. For instance,
So they make
hold
choices.
on.
Not
They make
necessarily
choices
home.
based
They
on
make
the
choices,
things that
not
they
necessarily the
hold to
family.
be
You know
true.
something?
Hold on.
You know-
Hold on. If your mom taught you the value of a life, and you become, let's say, the minister of health,
Okay.
you will make policies and you will ensure that things work because you value a life, right?
Okay, I'm going to ask you
Would you?
the same thing.
Would you do that? Would you do that?
I value life.
Exactly. Now, maybe those people, they may be educated in school. Maybe somebody didn't teach them.
Yeah. No, I beg
I
to
said
disagree.
maybe. Somebody did not
I don't
teach them.
agree because you're narrowing
And they're not
everything.
learning.
You're narrowing everything down to the family. That's why I don't agree with that. Now,
I'm
there's an
saying-
influence.
I'm
There's an
saying
influence.
that
No,
the
there's an
society
influence.
reflects the home. The society
That's a
reflects
fallacy.
the home.
That's a big
Look at-
fallacy, mommy. It's a fallacy of the vision because you are saying that what you see of a big picture now is a reflection of the smaller parts. I don't agree with you. You can't say it's family because family are this small in society and then what families are now is what in society. So are you saying Nigerian families are
Okay,
bad?
so somebody said,
Because generally-
APJ Abdul Kalim said that if a country is going to be corrupt-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly believe that there are three key societal people who will be involved. It's the father, the mother, and the teacher. So my question is, who thought those people?
You know what I'm going to say to you right now? That person left out the most important person, you, from what he said right now. I think there are 4 people, and of which you are the most important. So forget this thing of saying the father, the mother. They would try. That's what I'm saying. They would try to train the child. But truth is, when the rubber hits the road, oh no, mommy, when the rubber hits the road now, it boils down to what do I want to do? Now, you said something, you're a civil engineer, you want to do medicine, yeah, but truth is, now you are a social strategist. You chose to be that.
That's because I've come of age. Right?
Yeah, so now it is,
And I can
no,
make choices.
now, hold on now. Who are those that vote people into power? People that are 18? Who are those that, a lot of these crimes now committed by people that have come of age. Now, at coming of age now is a point of responsibility, where a man decides that he's responsible for his actions, for his decisions. Now, at that point, now, whatever family has taught is what they taught.
Have you noticed?
His decisions now, hold on, his decisions now are based on, this is what I want to do.
Have you noticed that we have more absent parents these days? And so nobody's teaching our children. Hold on.
Who are those in
We
power?
have-
Were their parents
hold on,
absent?
We have schools.
No.
We have communities without control. Nobody's teaching anybody. We have...
Now,
have
I asked you
so
something
much-
now. Those in power now, were their parents absent? They grew up in that generation where if you have a new pair of shoes, your father will ask you, where did you get those shoes from? So I don't understand what you're saying
maybe
right now.
maybe their dad is dead.
No, I don't
maybe.
agree with you. That's a maybe. You're not saying, you don't have any facts to back this up right now.
No, what I'm
now,
saying
now,
is-
you quoted somebody And I would like to ask you, who is that guy you quoted?
He's
Is he from a stable home?
he's an Indian.
You don't know?
No, I know who he is.
Okay.
He's one Indian guy.
Yeah.
Right, who's been through poverty and became a Nobel
Successful.
Prize. Yes,
Yeah.
you know, and
Okay.
went through the pain of growing in.
And make choices.
Yes.
And made choices?
He made choices that were influenced by the values that somebody taught him.
Can you prove that? You cannot prove
I
that.
made.
You think
I
so?
made choices.
You made choices. You are one in a,
No.
You are one in
I made
150 million
choices
Nigerians.
that is
You're
influenced
one.
by the values
No,
that I was
you're
taught.
one in 150 million Nigerians. So you cannot say because
If
you
you
made choices.
make choices that
Yes.
are influenced by the values that you were taught.
Yes, and thought not by family alone. That's what I'm going to
Primarily.
now. Not primarily now.
Primarily.
Mother taught you
Okay.
well, but then you step out
All right,
society.
gentlemen, let's say this. You are an architect of what you become in life, no matter the influence of the society.
true.
No matter the influence of the society.
And the family.
No.
And the family,
No.
society. No, if you
Let me
agree,
take it
if
back.
you agree.
Let me take you
no,
back.
Mommy, hold on. If you agree that family is a point of society, so society, family is a subset of society. So if he says that no matter what society says, family is part of it. I don't, you can separate it.
Tunde says, in a morally right environment, it's difficult to be corrupt in a transparent environment.
Right? And not the family. Not the family.
Don't
But-
forget.
not
no,
a
hold on,
family.
hold on. But he says there is no environment without family.
Adefe, don't forget that the first point of contact,
contact.
for a child
Not
is
necessarily-
the home. The
okay.
first, where, like, okay, maybe children that grew up in orphanages and the rest
Can I
of it,
ask you
but
something?
The first
At what
point,
age does a child begin to make decisions?
At what age?
Does a child begin to decide?
I don't
on
have that
things?
statistics.
No, can you?
I
but
don't
we
know.
should have an idea. You work with kids
Plus,
a little bit.
Okay, plus or minus, say like 4 or 5.
4 or 5.
Yes, the child
okay?
begins to know this is wrong, this is right.
Okay.
Now, what I'm saying is the first point of contact for a child is the home. That's where you can teach and nurture that child, right?
Okay.
So I'm not saying that everything that happens, like absolutely everything, that
If you're
the
saying
other
that
variables.
the society.
No. The society reflects our homes. What I'm
What I-
saying
what I
in
still-
in
what I-
other
what I
words
still
is
put- what I still
our
put to
homes
you-
are
what I still put
failing
to you-
because we are
I do not
chasing
agree that our homes are
shadows.
failing.
Our
I don't
homes
agree with you
are
that homes are
failing.
failing. I totally disagree that homes are failing.
I
I don't
agree
think
that
so.
our homes
No,
are
I don't
failing.
think so. I sincerely do not think so. I still think that we have beautiful homes in Nigeria, but people are deciding. It's a decision now. It's not a.
So it's a cultural change. So we just woke up one morning and say, you know what? We can't live by values anymore. We just want to be corrupt.
Okay, now. It's
Somebody
not-
taught somebody.
Not the family.
How do you know?
Not the family. It's.
What's your
So
proof
who
that it's
taught-
not the
who taught?
family? So who
Okay,
taught
now,
who?
let me say something now. Where you have the most interaction with values is not necessarily the family.
Should be the family.
I don't
It
know that.
should
I
be
don't
the
know who wrote
family.
those rules, but it is not the family. Because when a child is born, he stays at home for 2 years. You see, then, breastfeed only 2 years. Then, emphasis on then. It doesn't happen anymore.
6
now,
months exclusive.
6 months exclusive. Now, 2 years. Now, 2 years, mama has to go to work. Now, the child is left at maybe a nanny or daycare center. Hold on now and follow this slowly. Now, she drops off the child by 8 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
Let's even assume she's a civil servant. She returns home by 5. How many hours is from 8 to 5?
That's because she's
How many
chasing
hours?
a
No,
dream.
no. Are you now saying
she's
that? No, are you now
prioritizing
saying?
her
No,
ambition
are you now saying
for
that's
a-
not prioritizing?
It
If you come home by
is.
5 o'clock, you're doing a good job. Trust me.
You come home at 5 o'clock in this Lagos.
You're doing it. Civil servants can get home at 5 o'clock. Till 4 o'clock, get home 5 o'clock.
Really?
Now, but hold on
Okay.
now. Let me ask something to you now. Do you realize that from 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. is like 9 hours, and that child goes to bed like 9 p.m.
Now what I'm
And hold on. In 9 hours, the exposure of that child to outside influence is enormous. Now, you have 4 hours, out of which the child must feed, play, and then you train. Now, what makes you think that is that information you give in give or take 2 hours that will carry the child on in life?
All right, gentlemen. Lady and gentlemen. I'm afraid we'll have to wind down here. So you started first, so you close first. The closing statement.
As much as I know that a family is the first point of contact, the first point of contact, emphasis on contact,
Time's going.
it is not necessarily the most effective when it comes to training up a child now.
Okay, individuals will always make choices.
Choices.
People will always make choices. However, the solution, because we can ask the question why, but the how is, the solution to solving most of our societal problem lies in going back home and intentionally building strong families.
Okay, thank you very much, Omomi Afolabi, a community development strategist, and Adetunji Ife Adebiye, an accountant and a fashion entrepreneur. Okay, thank you for coming very much to Face Up this evening.
Thank you very much.
You at home, let's see if I can take one or two comments before we go. Uwezo George Sammy says, happening in the society is as a reflection of what goes on at home. Ekewa, 3 things mold every person. First, school, parent. Second, environment. Third, peer group. Parents can be biological or adopted. I guess that goes to Ife. Francis Mary Otoba Oloha says, the brute society is a huge player in the mind of many. Yet, let's not forget sometimes social players don't really make choices. Ghana's republic, we are not educationally malnourished because we had bad schools. We are because we have bad teachers, busy parents, and unpatriotic leaders. And finally,
True.
in
Two of them
closing,
are no family.
True.
in closing, this is the final statement I will make, and I borrow it from someone. He says, the home and the society overlap. When people discuss it independently, then we're all wrong. Is that your decision, or is that what you think? Well, thank you so much for letting us be a part of your evening till we'll bring you another edition of Face Up. Have yourself a good night. I am Neo Taigwe. Up next is Sports Tonight.